And at long last, the substitution is in. Carla Bello replacing Conde Guzman.
Finally.
Kanina pa nila gusto
Nawalan
gawin
sila
yan.
ng setter dun sa loob kanina.
Oo. Now 16-8, FEU showing a lot of resilience dito sa ating third set. Coco Wang, block by Palma. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Phil Cainglet,
Not
atake niya. Hindi
over.
lumusot. Patay. So here's Bello. Here's the guest player of Meralco, Coco Wang, who drops it in. Yan,
Silence coming from the power spikers right now.
Galit na si Coco Wang.
Ayaw mong galitin ang 6'3".
6'3 na import.
I think that's not good.
Wala naman siguro jet lag pag galing kang Beijing. Ano?
naman.
Good read by Simborio. And Micasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. 18-9. Nadoble na po ng FEU ang score ng Meralco.
The first set, we ended at 25-12. And let's see if FEU can change the game.
Sumugal si Jen Reyes that time and she gambled correctly. Nalalabas yung serve na yun ni Giselle C. Alam naman na si Giselle C. Usually, serve niya sa dulo na uhulog
At pabagsak.
Pabagsak. That was just a misread completely on the set from C to Simborio. And Coco Wang now up to serve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tinagno. Giselle C. Leaving it for Remy Palma. Pakalmot na tira ni Remy Palma. Pumasok.
Well, 8-point lead. What else do you expect? Bumaba naman ang attacking percentage ng Meralco. And they have to step it up if they want to win this third set.
And win the match.
Yes. With their first straight set.
Right. Cross court. Just missing there. Coming from... sino ba yan? Si Simborio. Oo.
Errors coming in for FEU. They don't need this right now.
And Malabanan. And Penetrante just using her intimidation that time.
That's the height.
Sabi, sige, palo. Sige, palo.
Dehado.
Sobrang dehado yun. Tinagno. Here's Simborio. Oy! Pwede na maging lifting yun, sabi ni Coach Shaq. Tignan natin. Malabanan!
And that catches the line.
How old is this girl?
I know, she's in high
17,
school.
no? Mga 17 lang to. So, Jerry Malabanan restores a
Mas
7-point
matagal
lead.
kasi ang high school ng Amerika.
Yeah, 5 yun. Tayo, ganun na rin tayo ngayon.
We're starting na rin.
Oo. Yung
K
K
to
plus
12.
12. A problem na naman. Carla Bello, who played very well pagpasok niya ng ating second set, all of a sudden, not getting it done here para sa Meralco sa third set.
The tables are turning.
Yep.
FEU is up by a big 8-point lead.
Serve there from FEU. Bello. And Tinagno, hindi na naabutan. Hindi na mahirap sa libero minsan, maliliit yung strides kasi maliliit din sila, di ba?
Pero she was there, good attempt.
That's what made Leslie Ann Gata so effective nung nasa Adamson siya. Ang haba ng strides.
Yeah.
Oh, great block but great return and it will go out. Yan na.
Agno was right there for that coverage, pero sa kabilang court na naman.
Yun. Ang problema dito ngayon, si Maureen Penetrante Owano, dinadaan na sa pagka-veterano. Pamahayof na. Ayan na naman. Maureen Penetrante Owano. And Coach Shaq wants to address this issue.
Di ba ganun mo, tutong B,
Combination. Pons. Yes! Another spike down the line for Bernadette Pons.
Kitang-kita mo yung powerful approach. Approach
Right.
pa lang, alam mo mamamatay na yung bola eh.
Galing nitong batang to. One of the future
Bright
players
future.
with a very bright future in collegiate volleyball. Here is Morada, namatay ang bola sa net.
Coming from the back row,
Oo.
dapat, di ba, hindi mo na short yung
Oo.
bola kasi ang layo ng distance
Unless
mo from the
matangkad
net.
ka.
Oo. If
Oo.
you're like 6'3", like,
Oo.
wow, but why not?
Simborio. Good read by Cainglet.
Looking through the linesman pa kung outside nga ba talaga.
So 23-17 ngayon. Maureen, Penetrante, Owano. Parang lone source of income na lang siya rito sa dulo ng third set para sa Meralco.
One more
Bernadette
time.
Pons again!
Oh! same down the line hit.
And another teenager, Jerry Malabanan, wants to end it on her serve. Reyes, Bello, Wang, kept
Keeping it
alive by
Siya
Pons.
pa rin. Akala ko siya pa rin eh.
Si Bagang
Nahilo
binigay mo na.
yata.
Carla Bello, that's a net violation against Remy Palma. Yan ang mahirap, malapit ka sa net. May, alam mo, idadrop na ng center, bigla tataas mo yung kamay mo.
And being that tall,
Oo,
nandun ka
tatama
na
ka.
kagad sa taas ng net.
Oo. Pons, and that will do it. FEU wins their first set this conference at the expense of the mighty Meralco Power Spikers. 25-18. Papasok tayo sa ating fourth set. What a showing by Bernadette Pons doon sa ating set na yan. And shaky play. Kita mo naman nasaan yung paa niya.
At nasaan siya? Nasa taas siya
Nasaan?
ng blockers.
Great job by FEU. We are going to a fourth set.
I am Remy Palma. And I am Bernadette Pons of FEU Lady Tamaraw. Please keep on watching Shake It Feeling Open Conference.